Are you over 60? Perhaps noticing your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, your arms feel a bit weaker, or a general sense of frailty creeping in. If so, you're certainly not alone. It's a natural, yet often disheartening, part of aging. But what if I told you there's a single, powerful ingredient that could dramatically help rebuild your muscle, even if intense exercise feels like an impossible dream? This isn't some far-fetched fantasy or a quick-fix gimmick. Groundbreaking new research reveals that this remarkable nutrient can actually stimulate muscle repair and significantly slow sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Imagine reclaiming your strength, your independence, and the vitality you thought was slipping away, all with a simple, natural solution already trusted in medical settings to preserve muscle in bedridden patients. Stay with me because in this video, I'm going to reveal the name of this incredible ingredient, demystify how it orchestrates muscle renewal within your body, and show you precisely how to integrate the right amount into your daily life. It's affordable, effective, and the most astonishing part is it works even while you're at rest. And as an added bonus, I'll share how to combine it with one everyday food to literally double its muscle rebuilding power. So, what is this mysterious muscle-saving substance that's revolutionizing our understanding of healthy aging? It's called HMB, short for beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate. This isn't a complex laboratory concoction or a pharmaceutical invention. Rather, it's a natural compound your own body already produces, albeit in smaller quantities, especially as you age. HMB is a powerful metabolite derived from leucine, an essential amino acid found abundantly in high-protein foods like eggs, dairy, and chicken. Your body undertakes an intricate metabolic journey to transform leucine into HMB, which then operates at a cellular level, acting as a shield to protect and rebuild precious muscle tissue. However, here's the crucial insight that explains why so many seniors grapple with muscle loss despite maintaining a seemingly adequate protein intake. As the years advance, our body's efficiency in producing and effectively utilizing HMB dramatically declines. This decline typically commences around age 50 and accelerates rapidly after 60, creating a perfect storm for muscle wastage. While a younger body readily converts leucine into HMB and harnesses it to maintain muscle mass, an aging metabolism becomes progressively less adept at this vital conversion. Furthermore, the muscle cells themselves become less responsive to the HMB that is produced, leading to a form of anabolic resistance that makes preserving muscle increasingly challenging with each passing year. This is where the truly incredible part comes in, fundamentally reshaping our perspective on aging and muscle health. Extensive research backed by rigorous clinical trials unequivocally demonstrates that HMB can help preserve and even rebuild muscle mass in older adults, crucially, even without the need for strenuous exercise. This represents a monumental shift in our approach to sarcopenia and the challenges of aging. While conventional wisdom has long championed intense resistance training, an activity many seniors simply cannot perform due to joint pain, balance issues, or pre-existing medical conditions, HMB offers a powerful metabolic alternative that functions at a deep biochemical level. The mechanism by which HMB works is both fascinating and multifaceted. It simultaneously reduces muscle protein breakdown by inhibiting specific enzymes that trigger muscle degradation, essentially putting a powerful brake on the accelerated muscle loss characteristic of aging. At the same time, HMB actively stimulates protein synthesis through the mTOR pathway, the very same cellular mechanism activated by resistance exercise, effectively signaling your body to construct new muscle tissue even in the absence of heavy lifting. Moreover, studies suggest HMB aids in regenerating damaged muscle cell membranes and may even invigorate satellite cells, the crucial muscle stem cells responsible for repair, which become less active with age. In fact, some of the most compelling clinical studies have shown that seniors supplementing with HMB experience significant improvements in strength and mobility, even if they were confined to bed, recovering from surgery, or otherwise unable to engage in regular exercise. One landmark study published in the Journal of Gerontology revealed that elderly patients who supplemented with HMB successfully maintained muscle mass during 10 days of bed rest, while the placebo group suffered significant muscle tissue loss. Another impactful clinical trial demonstrated that nursing home residents receiving HMB for just 12 weeks increased their grip strength by an impressive 13.7% and their leg strength by 17.8%, translating into meaningful, life-enhancing improvements in their daily function and overall independence. These results are particularly striking, considering that muscle loss during periods of inactivity occurs much more rapidly in older adults than in younger individuals. Without intervention, seniors can lose anywhere from 5 to 10% of their muscle mass during just 1 week of bed rest, a devastating loss that can take months, if not prove impossible, to fully recover. HMB appears to act as a metabolic shield, providing crucial protection against this accelerated breakdown and preserving precious muscle tissue during periods of reduced activity. Of course, HMB isn't a miraculous cure-all or a magic pill that allows you to disregard all other healthy habits. Its efficacy is maximized when synergistically combined with good nutrition and whatever level of physical activity is appropriate and safe for your individual condition. Adequate protein intake provides the fundamental building blocks for muscle tissue, while even gentle movement helps enhance circulation and neural activation of muscles. However, for those of us confronting sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss affecting nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60 and up to 50% of those over 80, HMB can serve as an exceptionally powerful component of your daily defense strategy against frailty and dependence. The typical effective dose observed in clinical studies ranges from 1.5 to 3 grams daily, usually divided into 2 or 3 servings to maintain consistent blood levels throughout the day. This targeted approach ensures your muscles receive continuous protection against breakdown while simultaneously supporting ongoing repair and maintenance. It's always prudent to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing kidney issues or are taking medications. But if you're searching for a simple, scientifically backed method to maintain strength without the rigors of a gym, HMB could very well be your secret weapon against the muscle loss that far too many seniors resignedly accept as inevitable. Remember, the goal here isn't to achieve a bodybuilder's physique. It's about preserving the functional strength essential for continued independence, mobility, and an enhanced quality of life as you gracefully age. Now let's explore 7 everyday foods that naturally support this very same muscle-preserving process, and critically, how you can strategically combine them with HMB for even more profound and accelerated results. These readily available foods contain compounds that work synergistically with HMB, amplifying its effectiveness through complementary biochemical pathways and supplying the additional vital nutrients your body requires to optimize muscle maintenance throughout your golden years. Whey protein represents one of the most efficient sources of leucine available, containing up to 14% of this critical amino acid that serves as the direct precursor to HMB. When you consume whey protein, your body rapidly absorbs this leucine, converting a significant portion of it to HMB, which then actively prevents muscle protein breakdown through multiple cellular mechanisms. This process creates a powerful anti-catabolic effect, which is uniquely beneficial for seniors whose muscles become increasingly vulnerable to breakdown with advancing age. Research clearly demonstrates that whey's unique advantage stems from its rapid absorption kinetics. It delivers leucine to your muscles within approximately 30 minutes of consumption, creating an immediate spike in HMB production precisely when your muscles can utilize it most effectively. For seniors who are keenly focused on preserving their independence and functionality, whey protein's ability to efficiently supply HMB precursors makes it an exceptional addition to your nutritional strategy. Incorporating whey protein into your daily routine offers remarkable flexibility while ensuring consistent access to HMB precursors. The most straightforward approach is to add 1 scoop, approximately 25 grams, of high-quality whey protein powder to 8 ounces of milk or a milk alternative, creating an instant muscle-supporting beverage. This typically delivers around 3 grams of leucine, sufficient to stimulate significant HMB production. Blend this protein with frozen berries, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a handful of spinach for a complete meal that combines HMB precursors with potent antioxidants and fiber, all supportive of overall health. For those who prefer solid foods over beverages, whey protein can be seamlessly incorporated into everyday recipes. Mix it into oatmeal, blend it into pancake batter, or stir it into yogurt for a protein-enriched breakfast that supports muscle maintenance throughout the morning. Its versatility even extends to savory applications. Add unflavored whey protein to soups, stews, or mashed potatoes for an undetectable yet powerful protein enhancement. For optimal results, consume whey protein within 30 minutes after any physical activity, even gentle walking or household chores, as this timing takes advantage of your muscles' heightened sensitivity to HMB's protective effects during the post-activity window. The final 7th food on our list is quinoa. Quinoa distinguishes itself from many other plant-based foods due to its exceptional capacity to support HMB production through its complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This is a rare quality among plant sources. This ancient pseudograin provides significant amounts of leucine, the crucial amino acid your body converts into HMB to protect against muscle breakdown. What makes quinoa particularly valuable for seniors is its dual-action approach to muscle maintenance. It delivers HMB precursors alongside a substantial package of magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, essential minerals directly involved in muscle contraction and recovery that naturally become depleted with age. Research indicates that this comprehensive nutritional profile makes quinoa more effective for supporting muscle preservation than many other carbohydrate sources that lack its balanced amino acid profile and micronutrient density. Incorporating quinoa into your daily routine offers remarkable versatility while ensuring consistent access to these vital HMB precursors. A practical approach is to prepare a large batch of quinoa at the beginning of each week, establishing it as a versatile foundation for multiple meals. Create a muscle-supporting breakfast by warming cooked quinoa with milk or a milk alternative, adding fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey, delivering HMB precursors alongside powerful antioxidants that reduce muscle-damaging inflammation. For lunch, develop nourishing quinoa bowls topped with additional protein sources like eggs, salmon, or chicken to compound the HMB supporting effects, while adding a variety of vegetables for fiber and micronutrients. Transform your dinner by using quinoa instead of rice in stir-fries, stuffed peppers, or as a hearty base for stews and curries. This simple substitution significantly increases the meal's leucine content, supporting greater HMB production compared to traditional refined grains. For seniors with gluten sensitivity, quinoa provides an additional, invaluable benefit as a gluten-free source of HMB precursors that won't trigger inflammatory responses that could potentially accelerate muscle breakdown. The fiber content in quinoa creates an additional advantage by supporting robust gut health, which emerging research suggests plays an important role in muscle maintenance through improved nutrient absorption and optimal utilization of amino acids necessary for HMB production. The journey to stronger, more resilient muscles doesn't end here. It truly begins with the informed choices you make today. By thoughtfully incorporating HMB alongside these 7 powerfully supportive foods, you're not merely fighting against sarcopenia, you are actively reclaiming the strength, vitality, and independence that aging often threatens to diminish. Remember, muscle loss isn't an inevitable sentence. What makes this approach so profoundly revolutionary is its remarkable accessibility. You don't need expensive gym memberships, complicated exercise routines, or the boundless mobility of someone half your age. This strategy works harmoniously with your body's natural processes, actively supporting muscle preservation even during periods of reduced activity or recovery. Start small by adding just 1 or 2 of these HMB supporting foods to your daily routine. Perhaps cottage cheese before bed to protect your muscles during sleep, or eggs at breakfast to provide crucial HMB precursors that work throughout the morning. Small, consistent changes, when sustained over time, yield yield truly remarkable and life-altering results. Most importantly, grasp this profound truth. It is never too late to begin preserving and rebuilding muscle. Whether you are 65 or 85, your body retains the inherent capacity to respond positively to proper nutrition and even gentle, appropriate movement. The powerful combination of HMB with these supportive foods can empower you to maintain the strength you need for the activities that matter most to you. Whether it's joyfully playing with grandchildren, confidently traveling, tending to your garden, or simply navigating your home with unwavering assurance. Your strength is your independence. Your muscle health is your lifeline to an active, engaged, and fulfilling future. Take this invaluable knowledge and put it into action today. Your body, your future self, will undoubtedly thank you, not just tomorrow, but for many fulfilling tomorrows to come.